Hello guys, welcome to Some Digitals. My name is Paul. I have a lady here who is sad and I want to make her happy by editing the picture. Also maybe I want to edit the eyes, maybe make them wider. Also maybe the head, make or elongate it or make it longer. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this image. I'll just come to images here and duplicate it so that I have two images. Okay, I name this one original, like so. Then I just press enter. Now I have two images here like that. Now I'll just come and edit this. I'll click this. I have these two images. I'll come and click this. I'll go to the filters, then I'll just come to somewhere called Liquify. Then it will give me this dialog box here. Right away I'll come to these options here. There's the eyes, there's the nose and the mouth. Now I'll just come under the mouth if I want the lady to smile. Now there's this slider here. I'll click it and hold it and drag it. Look at the lips. See the lady smiling. You can also manipulate the size of the lips. Maybe you want the lips to be big, small. I can easily play around with this. I'll just come and select this slider here. Maybe you want to make them thin, or you want to make them wide, or yeah, just like that. The lower lips, the one I'm editing is the upper lips. Now let's say you want to edit the eyes. Maybe you want the eyes to be big or small. You come and click this down arrow here. Then this one is for the left eye and this one is for the right eye. For example, if I slide this slider or like so, you can see the eyes is becoming big. If I pull it the other side, it's becoming small. You can see one of the eyes is big and one of the eyes is small. Now let me just pull it like so, and also pull it. If I want them to be big, also pull it like so. Now you can also play around with the shape of the face, or you can just come to face here and I'll click this down arrow. Then I can play around with this like that. Maybe I want the forehead to be big or I want it to be small. Or the chin height may be around here, so I can also play around with that like so. Maybe the jawline also I want it to be wide, or I want it to be thin. Maybe make it thinner. I think it looks more fantastic like that. And maybe the face width also I can play around, maybe make it thinner like that. Now you can see the lady has totally changed. Now if you hover around the face like that, also it gives you these options here. You can also do it manually by pulling like that, like that, or you can also play around with this like that. Also the nose, maybe you want the nose height to be small or to be wide. You can easily play around like that. Now guys, that's how to manipulate a face to look awesome. Maybe you want it to be long, you want the eyes to be big, you want somebody to smile, or you want somebody to, just like this lady here. After that, the next thing I'm going to do, I just press OK. Then it will effect the changes. Now this is the picture that I've just edited. Now let's look at the original. You can see the difference. You can see the difference there. This is the edited one, and this the one that I've, the original one. Now you can tell me if you like what I've edited in the comment section. Watch the next video, but also remember to subscribe. Have a nice day, have a nice time.